Hey folks, today is 8:59 in the morning. Actually, it looks like we just got a trade print. Selling a stop.
Order pending.
Market came up to this selling low volume node. And let me go ahead and shut that down.
Order canceled.
If they don't fill in that first bar, I'll just go ahead and shut it down. Let me see if this level's been approached. Market came down here, touched this level, touched it again here. Broke through it a little bit, but came back. So the market has had a hard time getting through this level. So any shorts I take, I definitely want to make sure my first take profit, I'm going to be able to get it out before this level's hit. And earlier it looks like we had a trade here that didn't get entered. Market didn't come up to it. Had another trade here that didn't get entered. Had a trade here. It looks like that one did get filled. Would have got the first target easily. And it looks like we would have moved our stop down to break even +1. This next bar would have ticked us out. So this would have been good for one profit target. And again, this one right here we just had didn't get filled. But we'll see if the market reacts to this selling low volume node here. It's going to be interesting because we have a buying zone right here in this selling low volume node. As you can see, the market is kind of just bouncing around between these two. So I'm going to wait for it to break through one of these levels, because obviously it's not just going to go sideways all day. This isn't a scalp trade, that is. Let me see what that is. Alright, this is a zone trade. Basically coming out of this buying zone right here. But I'm not taking those. Only taking the scalp trades. I also want to remind everybody that I am still new to this system. This is only my third day of actual trading with it, so I am going to make some mistakes. Sometimes I'm sure they're going to be stupid mistakes, but we're going to keep pushing forward with it. And the goal here for me is to get all those stupid mistakes out of my system right now, so that when I do decide to do the trading combine with Top Step, I'll actually be comfortable with the system. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, and I'm just recording that process. So you guys are, like I say, going to see me make a lot of mistakes, but it is what it is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back to you guys once we get our first trade print. Alright guys, we have a potential trade here. 5 contracts. We'll see if we get filled. We've got about 40 ticks remaining. If we don't get hit, we'll shut it down.
Order canceled.
Alright, didn't get entered on that one. And with the scalp trades, we definitely want to see the market go in our direction pretty swiftly. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on the next potential print. Alright guys, as you guys can see, 5 contracts were set up properly. We'll just see if we get filled here.
Order filled.
Alright, just got filled. Looks like we got 1 tick of slippage on that. Our risk is being cut in half. It's always a good thing. And we do have this level here, so we'll see if we can get through that. And actually, I want to put this down to right there, mainly because we have this level. I want the market to be able to at least give us something if it's not able to push through it.
Target filled.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and move that there, mainly because, like I said, we do have this level. The market has come up to it, and I'm not sure if it's going to be able to push through that level. So if we don't get it, that is okay. We're still in a free trade right now. We're at break even +1. And it's highly probable.
Stop filled.
Yep. Highly possible that we were going to get taken out. This level right here, selling low volume node. As you guys can see, these levels do tend to get reactions from the market. And that's why I wanted to be sure that we were able to at least get something out at this level. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on the next print. Alright guys, we have a selling print.
Order filled.
We're going to see what happens here. Alright, we're at break even now.
Target filled. Stop filled.
Alright, just got our stop filled. Not a bad little trade at all. We had this selling zone right here, and we had this selling low volume node, and that gave us this beautiful sell trade. Didn't have a lot of risk in this trade. As you guys can see, our stop was right there, entry price was right there, and the market went down, gave us our first profit target relatively easily, and then came back up. And I believe here our profit target +1. What time is it? 9:42. Alright, hopefully we'll get maybe one more trade before 10. We'll see if the market pushes through this sell zone here, or if it reverses and goes back the other way. Prepare for scalp short. Let's see what happens here. Our next level is up here. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. I'm trying to cut down on the time on these videos so you guys don't have to get through a 20 or 25 minute long video just to see the prints and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on the next print. Alright guys, market's starting to slow down and move sideways a bit. As you guys can see, we haven't really had a lot of large moves. Let me see what we did this morning. Had a nice move there. So it's been tipping down overall, it looks like, but I need to go ahead and get ready and head out here. I got to head to the bank, so I'm going to go ahead and shut things down for right now. It's already pretty close to 10 o'clock, so I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll continue testing things out, and hopefully I'll get used to the system well enough that I'll be able to go ahead and jump into the Top Step Trader Combine, maybe look at getting funded. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Made a nice little profit today. All right, take care, folks.